Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, the Top Chef channel. Today we are going to make a restaurant style fantastic dish which is sea bass. Okay, for a restaurant style sea bass, we are going to need is sea bass, of course. These are all the accompaniments which will go with the sea bass. So the main focus of this dish is the sea bass, and it will be served on a bed of spinach. And this is our ginger, soy sauce, onions, tomatoes, and potatoes. Okay, so for your restaurant style sea bass, you gotta marinate this thing very simple. So I'm just gonna put some salt, some pepper, and some olive oil into this. And then dab it really well on both sides. Okay, so that way it doesn't mar the flavor of the fish. So here we are. Put it on both sides on all the fish and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Okay, so we're gonna cook our fish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna braise it nicely. Let the oil become nice and hot. Okay, I fried the fish on both sides. As you can see, you don't want to brown it too much. This is a very tender fish, so all I'm gonna do is now add some little water and let it poach for about 5 minutes, so the fish is cooked all the way to in the center. Okay, so now I'm gonna cover it and let it poach for 5 minutes so we don't overcook it. Okay, in the same pan which I cooked my fish, I'm gonna make vegetables accompaniment for the fish. And very simple, it's just I'm adding little onions, little potatoes, just one potato on the very high heat. Salt and pepper and little rosemary in it. And some tomatoes. Pepper. Generous amount of rosemary on it. Saute it and let it cook close for maybe 2 minutes or so, and that's it. Okay, so this is a fantastic sea bass which we are going to put on a bed of spinach. Okay, now I'm going to put again some more spinach on top of it. Very healthy. And I'm going to top it with some nice velouté white sauce. Okay, and little of this ginger sauce. Not too much because this is very salty, and it will mess up the flavor of this whole fish. And for accompaniments, you have our sauté potatoes. Voila! Here's a fantastic sea bass served in restaurants, restaurant style. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, the Tapra Chef channel. Happy cooking!